Hey there, today's video is me reviewing Tresemmé's Beauty-Full Strength Shampoo and Conditioner, which is supposed to leave 99% less hair on your hairbrush. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. It's lovely to have you here. Last year I reviewed, I think it was last year, I reviewed a Tresemme shampoo and conditioner duo for oily roots, and I was pleasantly surprised. So when I got, I think I got the conditioner, might have been the shampoo, can't remember, actually I think it was, I'm pretty certain it was the conditioner, in the Superdrug Presents goodie bag, which was an amazing goodie bag. When Superdrug Presents is like an annual show that they do. It's the first time I've been, but it was amazing, really good. Hope I can go again next year. I thought I'll buy the conditioner to go with the shampoo, or the shampoo to go with the conditioner. Anyway, so I got both bottles, and it says on it Beauty-Full Strength plus Proplex Fortificant, up to 99% less hair on your brush, and salon professional quality shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so I'm not too bothered about my hair loss. I do lose a lot of hair. I have done, it feels like, all my life. And at the moment my bathroom tiles are very pale, so it looks always like a train wreck in there because it's just like hair everywhere. If I do redo that bathroom, hopefully one day I will put patterned tiles on the floor, because I think that will do a much better job of disguising the hairs. Obviously I clean, but you know, I can't be cleaning every single day. Anyway, sorry, there'll probably be a million comments about how I'm heathen and I need to get rid of my dirty ways and clean my bathroom more often. But anyway, but I do know that hair loss can be a symptom of perimenopausal and menopausal hair, because estrogen, this wonder hormone that we have that declines during the perimenopause and the menopause, it can absolutely impact hair quality and strength and the like. And a lot of women do actually have problems with, you know, they have like hair loss and it's very visible. I don't have that problem. I have quite a lot of hair. It feels like I do lose it, but it grows back. I always got lots of fuzzy bits because it's growing back. Nonetheless, when I tried out Planter 39, and I'll link that video here, which is specifically for perimenopausal and menopausal hair and hair loss, lo and behold, it really worked. I saw a massive reduction in the amount of hair that I was losing. So I thought, oh, well, this is going to be interesting when I try out the Tresemme one. Now, this says that it has, somewhere I read, it's got like a luxury fragrance. Oh yeah, luxurious fragrance, salon professional quality, luxurious fragrance, and the bottle is 100% made, it's made of 100% recycled plastic. Yes, which is great. From what I can see on the ingredients, and I will take a look at the yucca score, and I'll put it on the screen. I've got a feeling this is not going to score very well, but basically this thing about luxurious fragrance, I mean, seriously, I think that's so subjective. What does it smell of? Faintly of strawberries, but nothing major. And it doesn't, I don't feel like the smell is there all day long, but I'm not like wowed by the smell. I don't put it on and think, oh, this is so luxurious. No. Okay. And then does it work? Okay, so I did a before photo of the hair on my brush, and my lovely video editor will put that on the screen now. And then after a month or more of using this shampoo, you can see the results. Okay, here's the photo of the after. I can see no difference. I noted no difference. So in terms of how much hair is on the brush, for me this is an epic fail. However, I will say that my hair does actually feel nice and soft and smooth. I think it's quite shiny. I mean, that might be because of me colouring it. I do need to do the roots again. I put a bit of eyeshadow on there today just to kind of cover them up while I was filming. But has it resolved my greasy hair situation? No. Will I ever find the perfect answer for that? I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a psychological thing I have about feeling that my hair is greasy when it isn't really. I'm not sure. Anyway, but what I have noticed, and that is why, even though these are not empty, there's probably about a third of the bottle left in each, I am going to stop using them because I have noticed that my scalp has got very sore. I noticed this with Planter 39 as well, but there I wasn't so bothered because I felt like I'd had like the results and I knew it was probably coming from the caffeine. Here I'm not quite sure what it is that's triggering it. I mean, I don't think this has got caffeine in it, but maybe it has. I cannot see caffeine listed on the ingredients, but I am worried about this kind of sensitivity that I've got on my scalp. So it's only on one side. It's kind of strange. It's down here. I actually had my mum look at my hair yesterday to see if I had head lice. She is an expert on head lice. If you ever have any questions about how to treat head lice, then go to the Community Hygiene Concern website. I'll put the link in the video description. But and there's a completely safe, non-chemical way of treating head lice. But we're pretty sure I don't have head lice because I am very sensitive now when I get head lice. I kind of know straight away. And the itching kind of isn't in the right place for it to be head lice because they lay their eggs, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, long story. So I think it's coming from this shampoo. So I'm going to give it a rest. I'm going to switch on to something else that I don't think will cause any kind of sensitivity. And hopefully it will calm down. But I think, you know, this is enough of my trying and testing. This, I'm afraid to say, had no impact on hair loss whatsoever, on the number of hairs on my brush. Let me know if you have tried this combination or any other one that you think would be of interest for me to try. I love reading your comments and using them to create further content for you. You can connect with me in many different places, and of course if you did like today's video, it would help me help my channel if you were to like it, if you were to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. By liking or engaging with the video, what it does is it sends a message out to the YouTube algorithm to show this video, to serve this video to a wider audience of people because they might engage with it too. So that would be amazing if you could do that. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon. Take care.